We're still planning to release models this year. Like with all launches, we're handling those last-minute issues that usually come up. But it's finally happening. There's nothing stopping us from starting production within the time frame mentioned earlier. The car industry is being shaken up as Elon Musk's bold new $10,999 Tesla Model 2 gets ready to launch. Tesla didn't just break the $11,000 barrier, they kept the performance and high-tech features they're known for. But how do you make sure you're on the list to get your Model 2? What most people don't know is that Tesla has totally changed the way they build cars for this new model. It's not just a new car, it's a whole new way of thinking about car ownership and your budget. In this special report, we'll explain what Elon Musk and his team have been working on behind the scenes. They've been developing new systems and keeping big changes hidden from public view. Don't scroll away, subscribe and hit the notification bell now. It's easy to see the $10,999 Model 2 and say, wow, that's cheap. But the truth is, that price is sending a wave of fear through big car companies in both Detroit and Beijing. This isn't just about a low-cost car, it's about the old way of building cars falling apart. Elon Musk is writing a new rulebook. At the center of this change is a powerful mix of new metal technologies from SpaceX and Tesla's reimagined factory design. While most people were focused on rockets going into space, something important was happening in the background, a major breakthrough in strong, lightweight metals built to survive space travel. Elon secretly used that same metal science to design the Model 2's frame. Insiders now call this plan Project Obsidian. It's a new way of building cars that's said to lower production costs by up to 78% compared to regular factories. Think about that. While Ford and GM are still using production lines from the 1980s, Tesla has created a space AGV frame that's lighter, cheaper, and can be made in huge numbers. Now here's the number that's causing panic in boardrooms, $7,800. That's Tesla's new estimated cost to make each vehicle, based on leaked internal files. Experts in the car industry used to laugh at this goal back in 2021. They said it wouldn't be possible before 2030. But Elon didn't just hit that number, he blew past it. Now older car companies are facing a price war they aren't ready for. This is also a big problem for China's car makers, especially BYD. For a long time, BYD looked like the next big electric car company with its low-cost models. But then the Model 2 came in. It costs less than BYD's small EVs and comes with Tesla software, batteries, and even Starlink internet features. The Model 2 is now threatening BYD's growth in Europe, Southeast Asia, and Latin America. And there's another surprise. Tesla isn't just undercutting BYD's prices. They're planning to stay cheaper for years to come. They've locked in a big lead with a rare earth material strategy that no one expected. Tesla quietly secured the rights to 14.3 million tons of lithium, enough to build 85 million Model 2 cars. While other companies struggle to get enough materials for next year, Tesla already has enough for the next 5 years. Add that to Tesla's in-house battery tech, and it's clear, no one can beat their price anytime soon, not BYD, not Volkswagen, not Toyota. This is where the real damage starts. We may be looking at a wave of bankruptcies. With Tesla's cost advantage and supply chain control, experts now say 3 to 7 major car companies might go bankrupt by 2027, with the first one possibly falling in the second quarter of 2026. Even smaller suppliers are already feeling the pressure. They're losing contracts as Tesla shifts to doing more things on their own. But let's talk honestly for a second. Owning a car today feels like a trap. Between gas, insurance, repairs, and loans, the average American works more than 11 weeks a year just to afford a vehicle. That's almost 3 months of your life gone each year just to stay on the road. The Model 2 isn't just a money saver, it gives you back your time, freedom, and peace of mind. So what's more surprising to you, the low price, the technology, or the fact that this could shut down old car brands? Type Model 2 domination in the comments if you think this is the final move in the game. If you feel like the Model 2 just changed everything you thought you knew about car prices, you're right. Elon didn't just make a cheaper car, he took apart the cost of your old car from the inside. Now, think about this. What if buying your next car didn't take money from you, but helped you earn it? That's the big change Elon Musk is making with the Model 2. Most people see the $10,999 price and think that's the biggest surprise. But it's only the start. This car doesn't just cost less, it can flip your whole car budget upside down. Let's begin with fuel. The average American spends about $1,500 a year on gas. With the Model 2, that drops to just $400 per year for charging, or even less with Tesla's growing free supercharger credits. Over 5 years, that's a $5,500 savings, half the cost of the car. Then there's oil changes, emission tests, and engine fixes, all gone. That's another $500 saved each year. When you add it all up, the $10,999 Model 2 starts looking more like a car that barely costs you anything over time. But it gets even more interesting. The Model 2 can actually earn you money. Elon's long-discussed robo-taxi idea is becoming real, and this car is ready for it. With Tesla's self-driving software getting closer to full launch, owners could rent out their Model 2 while they sleep or work. Even conservative guesses say it could bring in $5,000 a year in passive income. In 5 years, that's $25,000, more than double the car's cost. And it doesn't stop there. Tesla is also about to change car ownership itself. They're planning a drive-as-a-service model. For just $99 a month, you could get a Model 2 with full insurance and unlimited supercharging. No down payment. No loan. No surprise repair bills. It's like Netflix, but for cars. This changes everything for millions of people living paycheck to paycheck, 60% of Americans. It removes one of the biggest financial burdens, car debt. Even when it's time to sell your car, Tesla may already have a plan for you. Picture this, a Tesla buyback guarantee. Drive your Model 2 for 3 years, then sell it back for 80% of the original price. That's possible because Tesla is building an AI-powered pre-owned platform. In that case, your total cost of ownership over 3 years could be just $2,200. That's less than a used iPhone. And remember, this isn't just about saving or making money. It's about how you feel. The Model 2 is freedom, from $4 gas, from costly repairs, from worrying if you can afford the next bill. It's about pride, knowing you're part of something better for the planet. And it's the excitement of driving a car that feels more like a spaceship than a regular sedan. Still wondering if this car is worth it? That's not the right question. The Model 2 isn't just a vehicle, it's a financial tool. It's your early entry into a $2 trillion robo-taxi market. It's like buying Bitcoin in 2010, only this time, it has wheels and it's parked at your house. So ask yourself, will your next car cost you, or will it start earning for you? Now, how do you actually get on the waitlist for the Model 2? You start at Tesla's official website at www.tesla.com when sales officially begin. Click on Model 2 and pay the $99 fully refundable deposit. Sounds easy, right? But there's a lot more going on behind the scenes. Tesla isn't using the usual first-come, first-served system. It's a smart rollout that takes into account your location, past Tesla purchases, and even your impact on your community. Insider leaks show that Phase 1 deliveries will start in Q3 2025 in Texas, Nevada, and California, where Tesla's factories are already getting ready. Phase 2 will send cars to high-demand states like Florida, Arizona, New York, Georgia, and Los Angeles by Q4 2025. Then, international deliveries, including Canada, the UK, and Australia, should begin in early 2026, once Giga Berlin and Giga Shanghai finish updating their lines for the Model 2. But here's what most people don't know. Tesla's internal system has already recorded over 1.22 million early access requests, even before the official waitlist went live. So the line is already long, and your $99 might not be enough to get your car quickly. So how do you move up in line? That's where Tesla's hidden systems come into play. If you already own any Tesla product, like a car, Powerwall, or solar roof, you get priority. It's called the Tesla Loyalty Pass. It's not promoted publicly, but it moves your order ahead. There's also the referral program. If you use a link from a verified power user, your order gets flagged for faster processing. Only a few people even know this exists. And then there's something even bigger. Elon Musk is reportedly planning a Tesla community program. The early ideas show that people may be able to move up the list by using their Model 2 to help others. This includes things like rideshare, delivery, or shuttle services in places that need it most. For the first time, your spot in line doesn't depend on your wallet, it depends on your mission. So yes, clicking the button and reserving your Model 2 is step 1. But if you really want to be among the first to get it, you'll need to understand the hidden system and join Tesla's deeper vision. No matter if you're in New York, Sydney, or London, this isn't about keeping up anymore, it's about getting ahead. Here's the truth, not everyone watching this will do something about it. Some will just scroll past, keep spending, and wonder why it's so hard to get ahead. But you're still here. That says a lot. It means you're ready to think differently. So what's your move? Will you be behind the wheel of this new revolution, or watching from the sidelines as others take your place? Share your thoughts in the comments. We're reading them every day. And don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Auto Intel has more exclusive leaks, hidden pathways, and smart strategies to help you win in the future of electric vehicles.